So this video is going to be about us putting the floorboards in here. We believe in the keep it simple, stupid rule, so KISS. And I'm just going to paint the outline of the floorboards, that way I know where it needs to be. Then when you take it out, it'll create a nice little outline. As you can see. There. So now that I took it out, you can see the outline. So this part on the front of the floorboard was bad, so I'm gonna have to remake it. So this is how I draw my lines out. I used a piece of cardboard to make the cutout shape, and then I'm making it a little bit bigger so I have extra space if I need it.
The patterns so we know where to put the spot welds so we can put on the new floor panels. Okay, so we got this side in pretty much where we want it to be. So now on to the next side. Okay, so now we're gonna have to drill the holes so that we can do the spot welds. We're gonna use a step bit, and I'm gonna put black tape around the tip. That way we know how far to go. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna drill 2 in the middle and 2 on both sides, and I'm gonna do the same on this. So, and then I'm gonna take it back there to make sure that I am not missing the breaks. I'm gonna start with the middle ones first.
finished the body mounts on that side. We still have to do this side, so that's probably what's next. We cut out the floor pans and we primered it and rust converted it. This is weldable primer that we got from Napa's paint store. We did it on this side too. We also did a frame connector, which we have to do on this side too. We're either gonna finish the floor pans after the body mounts, or we're going to start working on the 12-point roll cage. Okay, so we got this side done. We had to do a bunch of welding. We primered it, and we got to do the other side, but we're not going to show that on video because this side did the exact same thing.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and watch more videos.